glorious Quran says in Surah Ma'idah, chapter 5, verse number 32, that if anyone kills any other innocent human being, whether it be a Muslim or non-Muslim, it is as though he has killed the whole of humanity. And if anyone saves any other human being, it is as though he has saved the whole nation. The glorious Quran, Islam, as well as myself, condemn all acts of terrorism where innocent human beings are killed, including the one that took place recently in Dhaka, in Bangladesh, on the 1st of July, 2016. If anyone tries to justify that killing innocent human being is Islamic, is actually speaking against the Quran and the authentic sayings and hadith of Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. This is Dr. Zakir Naik from the holy city of Makkah on the 1st of Shawwal, wishing all of you a very happy and prosperous Eid. Taqabbalallahu minna minkum. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala accept the good deeds, prayers, du'as and sacrifice of us and you.